Noli Me Tangere, published in Berlin, 1987. The bleak winter of 1886 in Berlin was Rizal's darkest winter because no money arrived from Calamba and he was flat broke. The diamond ring which his sister Saturnina gave him in the pawn shop. It was memorable for Rizal for two reasons. It was painful episode for he was hungry, sick, and despondent in a strange city. 2. It brought him great joy after enduring so much sufferings, because his first novel, Noli Me Tangere, came off the press in March 1887. January 2, 1884, in a reunion of Filipinos in Paterno's residence in Madrid, Rizal proposed the writing of novel about the Philippines by group of Filipino, and it's approved by Paternos, Pedro Maximino Antonio, Graciano Lopez, Evaristo Aguirre, Eduardo Delete, Julio Lorente, Melesio Figueroa, and Valentin Ventura. His reading Harriet Beecher Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin inspired Rizal to prepare a novel that would depict the miseries of Filipino people under lash of Spanish. Toward the end of 1884, Rizal started writing novel in Madrid, finishing about one half of it. When Rizal went to Paris in 1885, after completing his study in the Central University of Madrid, he continued writing the novel, finishing one half of the second half. Rizal finished the last part of novel in Germany. He wrote the last few chapters of the Noli in Wilhelmsfield in April to June 1886. In Berlin during the winter's day of February 1886, Rizal made the final revisions on the manuscript of the Noli. Dr. Maximino Viola, Rizal's rich friends from Bulacan, arrived in Berlin at the height of despondency and loaned him the publish of his novel. Viola was shocked to find Rizal in dirty place, just not to waste money for the printing of Noli Me Tangere. After the Christmas season, Rizal put the finishing touches on his novel to save printing expenses. He deleted certain in his manuscript, including a whole chapter of Elias and Salome. February 21, 1887, the Noli was finally finished and ready to print. Berliner Buchdrucke Action Jesus Shop, a printing shop which charged the lowest rate, that is 300 pesos, for 2,000 copies of the novel. During the printing of Noli, the police chief in Berlin visited the boarding house of Rizal to see his passport, and unfortunately, that time to travel with or without passport is possible. The chief police told him to produce a passport after 4 days. However, Viola quickly accompanied Rizal to the Spanish embassy to seek help from the Spanish ambassador. But the ambassador failed to keep his promise due to that he had no power to issue the passport. At the fourth day of ultimatum expired, in German language, Rizal explained to the police chief that he was not a French spy, but he was a Filipino physician and scientist. Every day, Rizal and Viola were always at the printing shop to proof the printing pages. March 21, 1887, the Noli Me Tangere came out of the press immediately. Rizal sent his first copy to his close friend, Blumeris, Dr. Antonio Regidor, G. Lopez Ahina, Felix Hidalgo. March 29, 1887, Rizal gave Viola the galley proofs of the Noli, carefully rolled around the pen that he used in writing the novels, and complimentary copy